what's up, y'all? I'm back again. And I already know this is going to get heated, man. We got two ladies here. Who do we got on our left?
Bella Gomez.
Okay, and all right.
Arohi Karnavat.
Bring it on in. We can't even. It's like the tree is talking to us. Okay, who do we got?
Arohi Karnavat.
Okay, y'all. Now, they say they know a little bit about each other. I'm going to take it easy on them because you know your boy. Okay, here we go. Number one. Let's see. I feel like this is something. Okay, turn around.
Oh.
Yep. Okay. What is her favorite TV show? Like, or Netflix show, like she binge watching this thing and the Netflix bill is, I can't even explain. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and pins down. All right, bring it in. Okay, so she said, bring it in. The Handmaid's Tale, and she said the same thing. All right, that's cool. Okay, we're going to turn it up a notch, y'all, because I was too easy on that one. Okay, who is her celebrity crush? Who is her celebrity crush?
Oh boy, is this great!
Okay, here we go. Okay, we'll let her ride on that. What is her favorite we'll say favorite restaurant
Get in my belly!
to go to? Like, what is her favorite restaurant? This should be an easy one, guys. Yeah, you're answering for. She's answering for you. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and pins down. What is the girl's favorite? Bring it in. Come on, Sean, bring it in.
You said Berkeley, so I was like.
She said moonshine.
Moonshine got me.
Monsoon. Okay, what did the girl say?
I said Eureka.
Oh my God. Whew, okay, let's keep it moving. All right, we 2 for 1. Here we go. Okay, this is an easy one. What is the most used emoji that she uses? Like,
wait, who? Me or Bella?
She's answering for. You're answering for her.
Oh,
yep.
My God.
Okay. What is that favorite emoji? Like, every time you chatting and texting and you get the TikTok and she uses that emoji. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and pins down. Bring it in. Okay. Show that she said, hold on, what do we got here? She got a broken heart.
You might be the girl who will break my heart.
And she got to look at her crying though. Show the camera. That, oh my God. Ooh, okay. I thought that was pretty easy, man. Okay, 2 for 2, man. Last one, guys. All right, here we go. Okay. This is cool. What was the exact date you guys met as friends? Like, what was the exact date? No cheating. Like, what? Okay, I'll make it easy. What was it during the fall, the summer, spring? Okay. Was it during the fall, spring, summer? If you know the month, that would be great. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see what she said today. Show the camera. She's got fall of August and she's got fall of August, man. That's it. These guys know each other really, really well, gang. All right. That's an episode of Miss or Max. We're going to catch you guys next time. I'm out. All right. Thank you.
Miss or Match is a trademarked brand with all copyrights owned by Trojan Horse Productions, LLC. This includes our logo, our scripts, and every question featured in the show. Unauthorized use, reposting, or clip farming of our content is strictly prohibited without written consent. Any infringing material will be taken down immediately. Copyright 2025, Trojan Horse Productions, LLC, all rights reserved.